Are you tired of checking your bank account and wondering, where did all my money go? You're not alone. The truth is, most of us are leaking money without even realizing it. But what if I told you that artificial intelligence can track your spending, cut unnecessary costs, and even negotiate bills, all automatically? And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert. In this video, I'll show you how to stop wasting money and finally take control of your budget using 100% AI-powered tools. Let's get started. Why we struggle with budgeting. Let's face it, budgeting sucks for most people. It's tedious, it's time-consuming, and let's be honest, most of us aren't trained in finance. Here are 5 reasons why most budgets fail. 1. We forget to track expenses in real time. 2. We underestimate our monthly subscriptions. 3. We overspend emotionally, especially on impulse purchases. 4. We don't adjust our budgets as life changes. 5. We don't hold ourselves accountable, but AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't forget. It's precise, objective, and most importantly, it works in the background while you live your life. How AI changes the game. AI budgeting tools aren't just spreadsheets with formulas. They're smart assistants that monitor, predict, and advise in real time. They can automatically categorize your expenses, warn you about risky spending habits, identify recurring bills you forgot about, predict your cash flow weeks in advance, suggest spending limits based on your behavior. Let me walk you through the best AI tools you can start using today. Top AI tools to manage your budget tool. Number 1, Cleo. Meet Cleo, your AI budgeting best friend. She's funny, brutally honest, and powered by deep learning. Cleo links to your bank account, analyzes your spending patterns, and even roasts you if you overspend. It's budgeting, but actually fun. Tool number 2, Rocket Money. Rocket Money is your AI financial watchdog. It finds subscriptions you forgot about, cancels them, and even negotiates your bills. Yes, really. Tool number 3, YNAB. You need a budget. While not 100% AI-powered, YNAB has smart budgeting principles combined with automation. If you want discipline with flexibility, YNAB trains your brain and your wallet. Tool number 4, Copilot Money. Think of Copilot as your AI-powered financial dashboard. It syncs all your accounts, tracks your goals, and gives daily insights using machine learning. Tool number 5, ChatGPT plus Google Sheets. This one is underrated. You can use ChatGPT with Google Sheets to auto-categorize spending, generate monthly reports, or even forecast budgets. You control the logic. AI does the heavy lifting. Mini case study, real savings examples. Let's take a real-life scenario. Meet Sarah. She makes $3,000 a month and wants to save more. Here's what happened when she used AI. Cleo helped her find $120 in impulse spending per month. Rocket Money canceled 3 subscriptions totaling $45 per month. Copilot showed she overspent $90 per month on dining out. That's $255 per month saved without stress, spreadsheets, or arguments. Multiply that by a year. That's over $3,000 in pure savings. Why this matters now. We're entering a world where everything is connected. AI isn't just about robots, it's about smart decisions. If you don't control your budget, someone or something else will. These tools give you power, clarity, and peace of mind. If you've made it this far, you already care about your financial future. Here's what you should do next. 1. Pick one tool from this list and start today. 2. Subscribe to this channel, SmartSpendAI, for weekly content on AI plus money. Comment below, I'm taking control with AI, and tell me which tool you'll try first. Thanks for watching. And remember, smart spending isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. And with AI, freedom is finally automated. Save smarter, live better. With AI, subscribe to SmartSpendAI for weekly tools and tips. See you soon.